Welcome to the first video on Google Docs. Before we get started on learning how to use Google Docs, we should know what it is. Google Docs is an online word processor that allows you to create documents of text. These documents of text can be essays, 50-page papers, they can be resumes, letters, job applications, or just blank pieces of paper that you use to take down notes. But you can do so much more, and there really is no limit to what you can do with Google Docs. Docs can be compared to Microsoft Word, which is another word processor. I think Docs has some pretty major advantages. One is it's completely free. Word may be free for some students, and there are discounts and deals for specific universities or companies, but Google Docs is free no matter who you are. All you need is a browser. Second, there are so many useful collaborative features that allow you to work with other people in a really efficient and non-painstaking way. The compatibility of all Google apps lends itself well to Docs as well. I've personally been using Docs since I was in elementary school. That tells you how easy the application is to learn and pick up. But there are also so many capabilities to create visually appealing and specific documents. So in the next video, we're going to jump right in and we're going to learn how to create your first Google document.